Let's now start this bulletin with our top story, which is tracking the coronavirus outbreak. India was one of the first countries to evacuate its citizens from the virus epicenter, which is China. Just yesterday, the Indian government also rescued its nationals from Iran. But students and families stranded in Italy are crying for help. The people stuck in Italy are being asked to produce a health certificate, only upon which they will be allowed to enter India. This health certificate is a test for coronavirus. If a person is able to provide a certificate that clearly says that he or she has tested negative, only then the Italian airport authorities are letting them leave the country. But the hospitals in Italy are refusing to test people who do not have symptoms of the infection since the surge of infected cases. On the other hand, it is also not safe for the healthy people to visit hospitals as the virus is spreading like wildfire. Southern Indian state of Kerala has urged Prime Minister Modi to withdraw the mandatory health certificate system. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has called upon the Indian government in a statement. He said, and I quote, "Indians abroad wanting to come back home in an hour of crisis is totally unwarranted." He requested Prime Minister to immediately intervene and withdraw this circular so that Indians in Italy stranded at the airport despite having booked tickets are able to return home. We are now getting you an exclusive report from the Malpensa airport in Milan. The students stranded at the airport with no help from airport authorities, Italian officials or the Indian government get you their story themselves. Listen in.
Please, on the behalf of जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे हम चाहते हैं कि प्लीज हमसे यहाँ से निकाला जाए, एक एयरलिफ्ट किया जाए या आइदर एयर इंडिया को आप ऑफिशियली डिक्लेयर कीजिए कि यहाँ के जितने भी स्टूडेंट अभी जो यहाँ पर मौजूद है उन्हें यहाँ से प्लीज किसी भी तरीके से फ्लाई करना दिया जाए.
On one hand, India is evacuating people from Iran in defense aircraft. On other hand, we are going off our own, but there is no help from government of India. Instead, they are putting a restriction to give up medical certificate.
It's impossible to get a certificate that says you are tested negative to corona, and it's not possible to get tested and get the results immediately anyways. And the flight that we have to catch is already left right now, but there's a next flight that's on Saturday, and they expect us to get a certificate for that, and it's not possible.
हमको बताइए आप किसका गलती है? हम थोड़ी कुछ बता सकते नहीं तो गलती आपकी नहीं है तो स्टूडेंट 12 घंटे पहले सर्टिफिकेट कैसे लाएगा सर? कैसे लाएगा आप बताइए ना, 12 घंटे पहले कैसे लाएगा?
आप 5-6 घंटे पहले
यहाँ पे कोई डेलीगेट्स भी नहीं है हमसे बात करने के लिए, ना तो कोई इटालियन डेलीगेट से कोई नहीं है, ना हमारे पास में कोई भी नहीं है. ऑफिशियली डिक्लेयर किया जाए कि जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स अभी फिलहाल यहाँ पे मौजूद है उन्हें अर्जेंटली एक डॉक्टर अपॉइंट करके उनका स्कैनिंग करके टेम्परेचर स्कैनिंग करके उन्हें यहाँ से जल्द फ्लाई किया जाए, यही हमारी रिक्वेस्ट है.
Just urge PMO, Ministry of External Affairs to help us. There are students, there are families who are stranded here. Italian government will not help Indian people. India has to help Indian people.
Those were the voices of the Indian students stuck at the Milan airport with no clear picture as to when they can return home. We will, of course, keep tracking this story and getting you updates. India is dealing with the rise of the number of coronavirus cases. There are now 61 confirmed cases of the virus in India, while more than 110,000 have been infected globally. Let me directly start by showing you a map of the crisis in India currently. The state of Maharashtra now has 5 confirmed cases of coronavirus. On Tuesday, the government reported 3 new cases from Pune in a single family. Their cab driver also ended up contracting the infection. In the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, there is one confirmed case, a 63-year-old woman who had travelled to Iran. She is currently in an isolation ward at the government hospital. 2 cases have been reported in Ladakh. Both patients recently made a trip to Iran. The authorities are taking no chances. They have cordoned off the village and shut down schools until March 31st. Coming to the national capital region, there are 4 positive cases of the virus in New Delhi. In Haryana, there are 14 Italian tourists who tested positive for the virus and are currently at the Medanta hospital in Gurugram. 420 more people in Gurugram have also been asked to self-quarantine. These are all the people with travel history to virus-hit countries. In Punjab, another person who recently returned from Italy was found infected at the Amritsar airport. The patient has been quarantined at a local facility in the city. Not far away in Rajasthan, there are 2 Italian tourists under quarantine in Jaipur. They arrived in India on the 21st of February. There are 9 confirmed cases in Uttar Pradesh, the most populous state in India. 1 case was confirmed earlier today in Meerut. The patient reportedly came in contact with 6 people from Agra who had tested positive for coronavirus last week. Down south in Karnataka, 3 new cases have been confirmed. Overall, there are 4 positive cases in Karnataka. Just next door in the state of Telangana, one case has been confirmed in the state capital, which is Hyderabad. The patient is a software engineer from Bengaluru with a travel history to Dubai. Tamil Nadu too has one confirmed case of coronavirus. A 45-year-old man from Kanchipuram has been placed under quarantine. He had recently travelled to Oman. And lastly, the state of Kerala has confirmed 17 cases. Overnight, we got confirmation that the parents of the 3-year-old in isolation have also contracted the disease. 3 of the patients had recovered last month, so the number of active cases in Kerala is currently 14. India is also trying to tighten its borders in response to the outbreak. In an updated travel advisory, citizens have been asked to avoid all non-essential travel abroad. The government has also advised strongly against travelling to China, Italy, Iran, South Korea, Japan, France, Spain and Germany. All visas issued to nationals of France, Spain and Germany before the 11th of March also stand suspended.